Everyone is talking about WAP clipping, and for sure nandito ka because you have an idea what WAP clipping is. Pero kung wala kang idea kung ano yung WAP clipping, then lucky for you to watch this video. WAP clipping is basically a side hustle where you can edit long form videos to a short video clips, and you can earn money from it. Basically, you will earn based on the campaign rules and the number of views you will be getting on the video clips that you are posting. So regardless if it's Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. So depende sa'yo kung ano or saan mo ipopost yung video clips na ginawa mo. And basically, there are campaign rules that you need to follow. So video clipping or WAP clipping is very easy. Everyone can do it regardless of age. Kahit bata kayang gawin to, kahit matanda kayang gawin to. So the critical part of WAP clipping is following rules. So if you are good in following rules, this is going to be easy for you. Alright? So now, just to give you an overview of what you are going to expect in this video is that first, we are going to talk about what are the things you need in order for you to start doing WAP clipping. Second, I'm going to show you how to use WAP or how to manage and navigate on WAP platform. Third, I'm going to show you how to join on a campaign. And actually, that's pretty easy. And fourth, you will learn how to understand campaign rules, the do's and don'ts of every campaigns, or even the WAP clipping in general. And lastly, I'm going to show you on how to work on a campaigns and how to edit video clips using different platforms or applications. Before we get started, just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional editor or I'm not a professional clipper. I'm also new to this platform and to this industry, but don't worry, I'm going to share my experience to you. I'm not gonna wait to become a successful clipper before I'm going to share it. If I can start now, you can also start now along with me. So we both work on our success on these clipping industries. We never know, baka mas mauna ka pa sa akin na maging successful dito or mas kumita ng mas malaki dito. Okay? So before we move on to our first discussion, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video to support my channel. At para naman updated kayo sa mga bagong videos natin regarding WAP clipping, answering questions, or any update regarding this journey, then consider subscribing. And i-click nyo na rin yung notification bell para pag meron tayong bagong videos, mano-notify kayo. Alright, let's move on to our first discussion, which is what are the things that we need before we can start WAP clipping. So these are the basic things na kailangan natin. Of course, we need smartphones or PC or laptop. Kung ano yung available sa inyo. These are the tools or basic tools na kailangan natin. So hindi tayo pwedeng gumawa sa hangin. Okay? So, but basically, you already have a smartphone because you are watching right now, or you have a PC or laptop kasi napapanood mo tong video na to. And of course, meron kang internet access kasi nga napapanood mo. Alright? So, okay na tayo dyan. Now, kailangan nyo ng mobile number. Of course, meron kang phone, meron ka ng mobile number. We will be needing it later. Email address, or most of the devices that we use actually needs email address. I assume na meron na kayo nitong mobile number and itong email address. Let's go to social media accounts. So, kailangan nyo ng TikTok account, Instagram account, YouTube accounts. You can have these three or you can stick to one. Kung meron lang kayong TikTok accounts, that's fine. But the more, the merrier. Another is you need WAP account. So, you need to register in WAP. And don't worry, I will put all the links below sa description para all you have to do is to click the link. Okay? And last but not the least, yung kailangan nyo is an editing applications or software. So, you don't need those paid applications. You can basically use CapCut. And yun yung ma-recommend ko sa inyo. That's free to use. That's easy to use. Easy to access na editing software. Okay? You can just download it on your smartphone, Android or iOS. So, you can download it. And you can also download it on your PC, Windows, or Mac. So, available yan for free. But if you have access to more advanced softwares like Adobe Premiere and other softwares, then much better. But that is optional, not necessary. CapCut is enough. Alright? Okay, so much for that. So those are the things that we need for us to start WAP clipping. Now let's move on to our second topic, which is the step-by-step guide on how to use WAP platform or yung WAP. Okay, let me just show you the screen. Okay, let's start. So first, of course, let's assume you already have a WAP account. By the way, it is very easy to register in WAP accounts and it's free. Okay? Social media accounts, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube are free. CapCut are free. So everything is free. You don't need to pay anything. Even WAP. So let's open WAP. When you go to the homepage, so ito yung makikita nyo when you already registered. But I'm not sure if ito ba talaga. So ito yung nasa screen natin ngayon kasi we already have an account. Okay? But if you register, you will be in the homepage of WAP. So, but right here, and dito, makikita natin yung iba't ibang agencies or companies na pinasukan ko. Like Cliphouse, The Clipship, Clipping Culture, and others. Sa taas niyan, merong Home, may Search, and Discover. To start, just click Discover. So, eto mismo yung page na lalabas. Then, you can actually explore everything here. But, to start, eto, follow nyo muna kung ano yung instruction na binigay ko sa inyo ngayon. So, just click Content Rewards. Okay? Okay, so eto yung bubungad sa atin. Ito yung Content Rewards page. Different campaigns yung makikita natin dito. Ayan. You can scroll down. Alright, so eto mga campaigns na to is actually inside these agencies or companies. Let's just say, for example, eto, Cliphouse or Clipping Culture. This campaign, the Call of Duty Modern Warfare, is under Clipping Culture. Etong Box BL is under Clip Farm. Ito nandito. So, most of the agencies is we already joined. But just to show you, okay. So, ganito siya, yung ano dito, makikita mo dito sa mga campaign na to, ito yung budget niya, tapos itong rate per views. Okay? Yung budget niya, tapos yung rate per views. For example, ito. Yung budget niya is 85,000. Ibig sabihin na bawas na dito sa 85,000 is 11,786. So it means, meron pa siyang remaining na 7,000 plus para bayaran yung mga clippers or yung gagawin natin ng mga video clips. Ngayon, ito naman siya. Ito dito, $1 per 1K views. So ibig sabihin na every 1,000 views sa clip na ginawa natin, when we post it on social medias, either of those three, meron tayong $1. Okay, tapos ito naman yung users or ito naman yung mga tao na nag-participate dito sa campaign na to. Alright? So, alright, let's go to agency. Basically, these campaigns na nandito sa Content Rewards are under these agencies. Okay? So, makikita natin yung different campaigns na yan. There are some agencies that they only have one focus campaign. Some, kagaya nito, marami. Ito si Cliphouse. Si Clipship, marami siyang campaigns. Let's go to Clipship. Okay? So, basically, if you join those campaigns, mapupunta kayo sa page na to kung sino yung nagdala ng campaigns na yan. So, the Clipship, marami siyang campaigns. So, dito sa left corner of our screen, makikita natin yung different tabs. And for example, ito may support chat, may community rules, you can read this, may Q&A, live stream. So, agencies or the management also do live stream to give instructions, to give trainings. Yan, nandito din yung mga announcements and kung may mga updates sila. But make sure to read the community rules para at least hindi kayo maban. Okay? So, kapag hindi nyo binasa to at meron kayo na-violate dyan, magtataka na lang kayo, hindi kayo makakapasok sa page nila or sa campaign nila kasi nakaban kayo. Okay? So, make sure to read the community rules. Then, here, makikita mo, start here. So, not all campaigns or not all agencies meron ganito. Some of the agencies, meron silang Clipping 101, meron silang joint training. So, depende sa agency na pinasukan mo. Depende sa pinangalan nila kung ano yung nilagay nila dyan. But basically, start here is ito yung parang umpisa. You're going to watch videos like this. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. parang introductory dito sa campaign na to or dito sa agency na to. They will talk about the community guidelines, they will talk about the do's and don'ts, they will talk about what is the company all about, when it was founded, who is the founders, and you will be introduced to the company and kung ano yung gagawin yung job or task. Clipping 101, nandito nakapaloob yung mga videos nila sa mga trainings kung paano gagawin yung mga campaigns na yun or kung ano yung work around sa mga campaigns na yun. Mga download content ito, available resources and assets pwede mo makuha dito. Okay? Meron ding analytics submission form. So not every companies meron ito so may iba't iba silang nilagay dito. But basically ito yung pinaka-importante yung malaman inside this agency. First is yung community rules or community guidelines nila. Tapos, etong support chat. If you need something, if you have any problem or issues with your submission or your account, then you can actually get in touch with them. Tapos, eto, general campaign or general clipping campaigns. Click natin yan. So, once you click, some of the tabs nakalagay is campaign. Some are launch campaigns, audio campaigns, music campaigns. Basta it's a campaign. So meron siyang campaigns. So doon nakapaloob yung iba't ibang campaigns na hinahawakan nila. For example, these are the campaigns na hinahawakan ni Clipship. Dito makikita nyo. Okay? So nandito yung sinabi ko kanina, the CPM and the paid out, anong pangalan ng campaign. So basically, you'll just enter to this campaign. So in the general clipping campaigns, dito makikita nyo sa page na to, merong 5 tab, home tab, merong submission, tapos merong analytics, discover, and accounts. We will talk about that later. But let me just remind you, general campaign yung nakalagay dito, sometimes campaign, sometimes content rewards. So nevertheless, kung anong pangalan na nakalagay niya, basta merong rewards or content rewards campaigns, doon tayo papasok kasi doon natin makikita yung mga campaigns na kailangan natin i-work. So ngayon, let me just show you the submission. So I already work on some of these campaigns. So nakapag-submit na tayo and these are the submitted video clips. So in total, nandito all clips, total of 56 clips yung na-submit natin for 8 days. 8 days already on working in WAP. Pending natin is 45 in total. Ibig sabihin nung pending is ito yung mga sinubmit nating video clips or natapos nating video clips and they are waiting to reach the minimum views before they will be processed to be approved by the admin or the campaign manager. Now, these are the approved videos. Meron tayong 5 approved videos dito. So, ibig sabihin, they already gone through the process of evaluation kung okay yung mga video clips natin. So, they are ready for monetization. So, actually, 2 of these clips are already monetized. Yung 3 are just got approved earlier. Okay? So, dito naman sa rejected, ito naman yung mga video clips na probably hindi natin nasunod yung mga rules or yung campaign rules or probably hindi maganda yung mga clips na ginawa natin. So, there are a lot of possible reasons bakit na-reject siya. So, some of these videos are being deleted. So, probably na-delete ko yung video so hindi nila makita. So, ni-reject nila. And some of these violates their rules. Probably there are captions or overlays na hindi angkop dun sa campaign nila or may nalagay tayo or mga hindi natin lagay. So, either na-omit or na-commit natin doon sa video clips na hindi dapat or dapat na nandun sa video clips. Don't worry, this is normal to a clipper. The video are rejected. So, hindi laging na-approve yung videos natin. There are times na nare-reject siya. So, dito naman sa pangatlo, sa pang-5, merong flag. Ayan, ibig sabihin ito yung mga videos that violates the campaign rules, na hindi nasunod yung campaign rules or there are some triggering factors na hindi dapat dun sa video. Kaya sila na-flag. So, etong, for example, this was flag. So, ito yung duplicate natin kaya na-flag siya. So, duplication, spamming, bawal siya sa video clippings. You really need to make your own edits. So, hindi pwedeng kopyahin mo yung work ng iba, yun yung i-upload mo, hindi siya pwede. Automatic, nadidetect nila yun. The AI can detect it. Okay, so ito yung nasa submissions natin. Then, dito sa pangatlong tab, Analytics, dito natin makikita yung number of views, total payouts, total submissions, active campaigns na wino-work natin. So, not all the campaigns are active all the time. Some of the campaigns are completed, some of the campaigns are postponed or canceled, some of the campaigns are paused, or some of the campaigns are not active anymore. But it doesn't mean that you will not be get paid. Those video clips that we already submitted, if those are approved, so mababayaran kahit tapos na yung campaigns. Alright, so next tab is Discover. This is the same page where we enter earlier on the homepage of WAP. Itong Discover page. Basically, it's the same din dito lahat ng mga campaigns na available. Okay, tapos itong accounts naman, itong last na tab dito sa ating campaign page, nandito yung mga account na na-link sa WAP account mo. So basically, you need to link your social media accounts before you can post your videos or before your videos can be validated. So if hindi nakalink yung account mo na sinubmit dito sa WAP, so hindi siya valid. Okay, so link natin to. Okay. So basically, kapag nag-post ka ng video, kailangan nakalink yung social media account kung saan ka nag-post. So kung hindi siya nakalink sa WAP account mo, hindi siya valid. So hindi siya i-recognize ni WAP. Nakalink yung dalawang YouTube account natin, nakalink yung Instagram, yung TikTok accounts natin. And you can link multiple TikTok accounts, multiple Instagram accounts, and multiple YouTube accounts. So depende kung ilang accounts yung wino-work on mo. Kasi merong dedicated accounts, meron ding non-dedicated accounts. So pag-uusapan natin yan sa mga susunod na videos, hindi sa video to. Alright? So basically, nandito yung add button. You can add more accounts. Ganito yung itsura niya. You can choose TikTok account kung anong meron ka ngayon. Let's just say for example, TikTok account. Let's click TikTok account. Continue. Tapos ilalagay mo yung username mo dyan. Let's just say for example, para makita nyo mismo, your Kuya R. Continue. Tapos ito yung lalabas. Okay? How to connect account. Nandito yung username mo. Tapos nandito yung verification code. So yung verification code na yan, ang gagawin mo lang, follow mo lang itong instruction sa baba niya. Go to your TikTok profile account. Since TikTok yung ililink natin, tap edit profile. So ipipaste mo tong code na to doon sa profile mo or sa bio mo. Then save mo yung changes, tsaka i-click mo itong verify. Okay? Once i-click mo yung verify, either approve or not approve, meron naman siyang notification or meron naman siyang prompt na ibibigay. For example, ito, hindi naman natin sinunod yung instruction na yan. So of course, hindi yan magiging successful. Ito yung prompt na lalagay. Verification code not found in your profile. Please make sure you've added it and try again. So make sure tama yung code na ipipaste nyo doon sa bio nyo or sa profile nyo. I-save nyo yun bago nyo i-verify para i-accept niya. Okay? Labas na tayo dyan. Ito yung kanina. So once nagawa natin yung process na yon, nandito na siya. All you have to do is just to verify it. So kahit hindi mo siya magawa ngayon, pwede mo pa rin siya i-work on later. Okay? So unlink muna natin yan. Okay, that is just for an example. So, ito yung campaign side na meron ng 5 tabs na mapapasukan. So, submissions and home tabs. Okay, so dito naman tayo sa campaigns. So, gaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, so for example, itong campaign na to, so makikita mo dyan na this is a clipping campaign. Ayan. Tapos, merong, it was up 22 hours ago. Tapos, ito, Louis Vuitton, Angelic, ito yung pangalan ng campaigns under Clipship na agency. Ayan. Tapos, nandito yung mga social media accounts na pwede natin i-post itong specific campaign na to or yung mga video clips na nagawa natin out of this campaign. Tapos, dyan sa baba, merong CPM. That is the number of views or yung reach na kailangan natin. For example, ito 1K views. Yung rate niya is $3. So, if you reach 1K views, then that is $3. But it doesn't mean you reach 1K views, automatic mababayaran na yung $3 na yan. It will still go through evaluation, i-approve pa yan. And if it's approved, then yan, mababayaran ka ng $3 sa 1K views mo. Then, dito sa kabila yung paid out. Nandito yung available budget allocation for this specific campaign. So, 4,110 yung kanyang budget. So, yung nabayaran na is 363. So, basically, meron pang $3,700 na available budget na ibabayad dun sa mga clippers. So, pwede pang i-work on to. 4,110 yung budget. Tapos, yung paid out is 4,000 na rin. So, meron lang 110. So, wag na kayong mag-work dyan. Kasi, especially kung hindi ganun kabilis yung views nyo or yung reach nyo. So, matatapos na yung campaign, hindi kayo mababayaran. Kasi, wala, tapos na yung campaign. Ubus na yung budget. Okay? So, kailangan nyo talagang tingnan itong allocation niya. Some of the campaigns, binabalik siya or nagkakaroon sila ng another campaign after campaigns. But most of the campaigns, kapag natapos na siya, wala na. Kapag ubos na yung budget, wala. Masasayang yung ginawa mong video clips. So, you really need to check this first before you work on this specific campaign para hindi masayang yung pinagtrabahoan nyo. Alright, let's try to enter to one campaign. Itong Madion. Okay? So, basically, ito yung laman kapag pinasok mo yung isang campaign. Ayan, so nandyan yung parang information ng specific campaign, parang introduction, kung ano sila, ano siya. Nandito yung brief instruction about this campaign. Tapos dito, ito naman yung kanyang mga social media. Tapos dito naman yung requirements. Ayan, read Google Documents. Nandito yan sa resources. Okay, kapag i-click mo yan, lalabas yung itong campaign rules niya. So basically, most of the campaigns ganito yung lalabas. Meron silang common campaign rules but different in specific. So may mga particular rules sila bawat campaigns. So hindi pare-parehas. Okay? Yung requirements hindi pare-parehas but there are common requirements na meron sila. Okay, balik muna tayo dun kanina. So dito, pwede ka mag-post sa TikTok, sa YouTube, and sa Instagram. Tapos nandito naman yung kanyang minimum tsaka yung reach niya na kailangan mong i-hit. Okay, so asset and resources, nandito naman yung mga sample videos or yung mga submitted videos. Most likely, yung mga top performing videos na sinubmit dito sa specific campaign na to. So, pwedeng ito yung agawan mong example. Like, ito yung panoorin mo para alam mo kung ano yung gagawin mo sa video clips or kung paano mo siya i-edit. Ayan. Tapos, on the right side, makikita nyo ito. Ito yung budget. Yan, nakikita nyo, 3.8k yung budget. Tapos, yung nabayaran na is 933. So, it means meron pa siyang 2,900 na remaining budget. So, you can still work on this one. Category niya is music. Mamaya, babalikan natin yung categories na yan. But, if we click this submit video, dito tayo nagsasubmit ng mga video natin. Kapag tapos na natin i-edit yung video natin, dito natin siya isasubmit. So, basically, you just enter the title. Kung ano yung title na ilalagay nyo doon sa post nyo, ito lang dapat yung title na ilagay nyo dito. Hindi pwedeng iba. Auto-reject yan. Tapos yung link ng post nyo, just copy the link kung saan nyo siya pinost, tapos i-paste nyo dito. So kung ibang link yung ipipaste nyo dyan, auto-reject pa rin yan. So make sure the title here is the same title sa post nyo. Make sure the link is the same link doon sa kung saan nyo pinost. Tapos click nyo lang tong I've read the submission requirements. Now, sometimes yung submission, meron nakalagay dito na submit screenshot of your audience demographics. So kapag lumabas yon, kailangan nyo i-submit yung audience demographics ng kung saan nyo pinost. For example, TikTok. So, i-screenshot nyo yung general audience demographics ng analytics nyo. Eto, merong tanong yung iba. Actually, I'll just to give you an overview. Yung katanungan ng iba, kapag ipopost natin yung video, hindi naman agad-agad ilalabas yung mga information sa demographics. So, paano natin yun, hindi tatanggapin dito kasi hindi naman siya available yung mga information na yun, especially TikTok. So, it takes 24 to 48 hours bago ma-display yung mga information na yun. So, pag i-send mo yun dito, mare-reject yan kasi walang laman yun. So, basically, ito yung nakakalito minsan. So, pag hinihingi yung screenshot na yun, yung i-screenshot nyo is yung mismong general analytics ng TikTok account niyo, hindi yung specific post na analytics. So, if it's TikTok, pupunta ka lang sa TikTok Studios, punta ka sa analytics, tapos sa followers or sa audience. Tapos, i-take mo yung screenshot. So, in general, not in that specific post. Alright, let's move on to that. Yan, dito tayo sa resources niya. Ayan, dito minsan may nakalagay na YouTube or Dropbox or anything na assets na nilagay nila for you to be able to download. So, for example, ito, na-open na natin kanina. Ito yung resources na yon. Now, saan kukunin yung video? Kasi, di ba, dapat approve lang na videos and clips. Sometimes, pwede kang kumuha sa kahit anong resources online or sa mga existing videos online sa YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. But some of the campaigns, they require you to only use yung available assets na pre-provide nila. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng ibang assets or ibang video. Yun lang talagang binigay nilang video. Now, saan yung video dyan? Yun yung mga ibang katanungan eh. Saan yung video dito? Wala namang video dito ah. Hindi naman pwede to kasi submitted na to. So, once you click these resources, mapupunta tayo dito sa campaign rules. Dito sa campaign rules, ito yung importanteng bagay na dapat huwag niyong kalimutan or dapat pakinggan yung mabuti. Kapag merong campaign rules, basahin nyo lahat. Okay? So basically, kapag nasanay na kayo, alam nyo na kung ano yung meron dito, alam nyo na. But kung bago ka pa lang, kailangan mo talagang basahin lahat para aware ka kung ano yung mga do's and don'ts dito. For example, etong specific campaign na to. So what are you doing? Instruction. Ano yung gagawin mo sa video clip? So edit the post clips from approved assets folders. Ito yung pinaka-instruction niya. Hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng ibang videos. Ito lang. Saan yung video dyan? And kung mapapansin nyo dito, merong approved content clipping. Tapos sa baba niya, merong etong A-Madion. Ito yung file na yon, naka Google Drive yan. Kapag i-click natin yan, mapupunta tayo dun sa download page ng Google Drive na shinare nila. So all you have to do is to download this one by one. Okay, so download it all para meron kang options kung ano yung mga i-edit mo, meron kang mga preferences. So the more, the merrier. Alright, so balik tayo dito sa instruction. So all clips must feature on screen text that relates to context. So basically, andyan lahat ng instruction nila. All you have to do is to read it and follow everything on it. So halos nandito na lahat yung instructions nila. Example captions for interview clips. So nandito na rin yung mga pwedeng screen text na gagamitin nyo. So mga examples lang yan. Pwede kang gumamit ng sayo, but make sure na fit to the video na ginagawa mo. So hindi siya out of this world. Hindi siya yung nagugulat ka kasi iba yung laman ng video tapos iba yung screen text mo. Dapat related siya doon sa pinaka-video mo. So nandito din yung example ng captions na pwede mong ilagay. Ito yung content requirements. Yan, videos or yung length niya, videos must be at least 10 seconds. So some of the videos require 6 seconds, 7 seconds minimum. Tapos, of course, it's a video clip so it doesn't need to be long. Kasi long video na nga, ginawa mong video clip, di ba? So kailangan short lang talaga siya. Tapos yung comment must be on. So ito yung mga instruction nila. Ito yung hashtags. Kapag walang hashtags, specific hashtag na binigay sila, pwede kang maglagay ng iba't ibang hashtags as long as allowed or approved nila. Tapos, saan mo pwede i-post yung videos? Nandito din yung audience na target. Tier 1, majority, Tier 2. We will talk about these Tier 1, Tier 2, and other tiers in regards to audience on the next video. Okay? Tapos, language, tapos notes. Ito yung mga bawal or mga don'ts. Alright? So, ito naman yung mga ratings per platform. So, halos nandyan na lahat. All you have to do is to follow yung instructions sa campaign. These are the campaign rules. This is how to download your videos. So, nandito na lahat. Alright? So, I hope you get it. So, kung may mga questions kayo, don't forget to comment down below. Okay? So, kung may mga hindi kayo naunawaan sa diniscuss natin, make sure to drop a comment para masagot natin yan on our next video. Okay, so labas na tayo dito. We're done with the do's and don'ts and the campaign rules on how to work on campaigns. So, let's move on to the last part of this video. So, ito yung hinihintay ng iba, especially yung mga nakapag-umpisa na. Paano nga ba ginagawa yung mga video clips? Okay, so let's do on this one. Since na-open na natin yung campaign na to, ito yung gagamitin natin. And I think we already downloaded some of this asset and resources. Let's see if we already work on that one. Open lang natin yung folders natin. So you can organize your projects or your work depende sa kung ano yung preference ninyo, kung saan kayo mas komportable at saan mas ma-organize yung work niyo. So mine is like this. And so in folders, I put project, first project, but I actually changed this one in a later part. Nilagyan ko na kung anong pangalan ng campaign para hindi magulo. But let me just look for the Madion. Check lang natin yung Madion kasi parang nauna na yun sa mga projects natin. Hanapin ko lang. Ayan, this is the campaign. Nasa 5th project pala natin si Madion. So, ito na yung mga resources na available. So, na-download na natin yung resources coming from this. Ayan, dito. Ayan. So, ito yung mga resources na yun, na-download na natin siya. Okay. Okay, so, now, ang gagawin natin, let's go open our editing software, which is CapCut. Ito kasi yung free. Basically, meron din siyang premium para ma-access nyo yung mga premium features. So, if it's paid version of CapCut, so mas maraming features yung magagamit ninyo. But you can always use the free versions. Ang dami nang pwedeng gawin sa free versions. You don't need to subscribe para mas maging maganda yung video nyo. It really depends on how you make your videos. So, nandito na tayo sa CapCut natin. So, let's create a new project. And let's close this one muna. Okay, so nasa CapCut na tayo. So basically, you can use different software of your preference. So kung mas prefer nyo yung Adobe Premiere or any other software or editing software, so kayo bahala kung ano yung available sa inyo at kung ano yung kaya ng mga devices ninyo. Let's just import yung mga files from that specific project. So nasa 5th project yon kanina. Ayan. So import lang natin. Import ko lang yan lahat. Ayan. So, ayan, nandyan na lahat ng files natin.
What? When did you do that?
Okay, I have a secret.
Yeah, go.
Ayan. So, eto
When you
pala
first
yung
launch FL Studio,
ginawa
currently,
nating
there's like-
video clips. Let's just click that one. Papanood ko lang sa inyo. So, basically,
Currently,
this is
there's like a
the raw
default drum
assets.
sound.
Ito
Yeah,
yung mga
animated.
dinownload natin kanina. Inedit natin siya at
What?
ito na
When
yung
did you-
naging result.
What? When did you do that?
Okay, I have a secret.
Yeah, go.
Default
Nakita
drum
nyo yung
sound,
difference
animated.
kanina. Yan, kinuha natin yung mga
What?
highlights ng
Every
video.
beginner producer.
Tsaka natin ginawang ganito.
Yeah, so every
Nilagyan na
beginner
natin ng
producer.
captions, nilagyan na
So,
natin ng
drums?
overlays.
Yeah, like,
When did you do
Tapos,
that?
I've been friends with the
clean up
team
na
over
natin
there
siya
forever.
from
Okay, I have a
this
secret.
Yeah, go. How old were you when
to this.
you started using FL Studio as a kid?
See?
As a,
Almost 30 seconds lang yung video. So minimum of ano lang naman siya 10 seconds. Pero yung ginawa natin is mga nasa 28 seconds yung ginawa nating video just to
What?
make
When
sure
did
na
you do that?
kuha natin
Okay, I
yung
have a
highlights.
secret.
yeah, go.
And we
When you
already
fe-
posted this one to Instagram and TikTok. Ayan. So, basically, meron ng available resources or mga videos, long videos. I-shorten lang natin na, kukunin lang natin yung mga highlights. Alright, so we're done with our last part. So, kung gusto nyo matutunan kung paano natin ginawa yung video na to from this to this video na edited na, I will teach you how. Make sure nakasubscribe kayo and mag-comment kayo sa baba ng The Unseen Ledger. At i-comment nyo sa baba The Unseen Ledger para masend ko sa inyo yung file or yung video kung paano natin siya ginawa. Etong simpleng video na to. At pwede nyo nang masimulan yung paggawa ng video clips niyo sa campaign na papasukan ninyo. Make sure na naka-follow kayo or naka-subscribe kayo. Again, this is Kuya R and I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. And kung meron kayo natutunan sa video na to, make sure to hit the like button and share this video para marami din tayo matulungan na mga bagong Whoop Clippers. Again, see you on our next video.